I wonder if I can win a gold medal in these. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Hope you're having a great time out there. Hope you're all looking after yourselves, because today we're looking at the Jordan 6 Olympic, a sneaker that I've actually had an eye on for quite a while, and I'm glad these are back because guys, this is a beautiful sneaker. But before we look at that, please do, like I always say, like, follow, subscribe, come and chat to me. Let's have a conversation. Let's break it down like we always do. And please do check out the Shoe Dog podcast with me and the bro 808 kicks underscore ATO. That is 808 kicks underscore ATO. Go and show the bro some love and support, and make sure you kind of give him all the support that he deserves, because he actually just shows our channel love and support as well. But also, like I said, please do check out the Shoe Dog podcast with me and the bro 808 kicks ATO. We talk about sneaker drama, sneaker news, sneaker bad behavior, because we always take that to sneaker court or public opinion when all the bad behavior goes in, and keep always, like I say, guys, making sure you hit your targets, hit your goals, keep elevating, and keep doing the crazy things and the good things that you need to do to keep hitting your targets and your goals, because I want you to win. We all want you to win over here, because we want to all excel, we want to all be great, and I want to actually go through that journey with you guys, and hopefully you can join me through my journey through YouTube and sneakers, because that's what it's all about. But today we're looking at this magnificent sneaker. This is the Jordan 6 Olympic. As you can see from the B-roll, guys, we're looking at the Jordan 6 Olympic today, a sneaker that is absolutely gorgeous. I had to go and pick this up in shop because I actually went one day after retail. They were sitting, they're still sitting. That's blasphemous to think that these sneakers are still sitting, because this sneaker is a relic. This is an absolutely iconic sneaker. A lot of iconic sneakers have been releasing from Nike, and a lot of iconic sneakers or grails will be releasing hopefully in 2025. But I'll be around to check those out, because this is a gorgeous sneaker. This actually released in 2000, and basically for the Sydney Olympics, where Ray Allen won the gold medal in the NBA or the basketball tournament, which is absolutely epic, guys. They re-released it in 2012 for the actual London Olympics or the UK Olympics, and basically it kind of really was like a flip variation of the Olympic with the actual black on the midsole. But this is an actual authentic variation which released in 2000s, because this is not the flip variation. This is the original actual Jordan 6 Olympics, which actually came out in the year 2000, which is absolutely epic. But before we look at the sneaker any further or discuss the sneaker any further, let's take a look at the box, because hey, presto shebang, guys, this is the Olympic 6 box. And as you can see, guys, this is all white, and then it's got a blue underframe. Is it blue? Yes, it's a dark navy blue underframe, because it's quite hard to see in the lights. But what you notice is what they keep doing with some of these boxes, which is absolutely dope, is giving you like a vinyl print on top of it. It's not embossed, you can feel it all one layer, you can feel the vinyl pop up a bit. But on this vinyl, you see almost like fireworks all over this box, fireworks just popping as they explode into the actual atmosphere or the sky. You can see that on this, and this is absolutely dope. You've got more of a white bottom at the back as well, but it's got the affiliated writing, and inside this you've got tissue paper, two variations of this tissue paper, one that's actually got the fireworks explosion vinyl, which is on the box, and the other one which is just basically plastic. That's a celebration. That basically is a celebration. Obviously, if you know the Jordan 6, it was the start of the 6 peat for Michael Jordan anyway, because this is a special sneaker. Jordan 6s are special for that actual idea of winning anyway, because Michael Jordan started his 3-peat there, his first 3-peat, and then they bring you this absolutely magnificent box. As you can see, this is what the box looks like. This is how it should be. There is no resale on this, so you should be able to go to the shops at this moment in time and pick them up, which is absolutely awesome. But also on this box, this is what the box label looks like. That's how it should be. That's how it should come, guys. But as you can see from the label reads Air Jordan 6 Retro White University Red. That's the colorway that's listed. Its actual code is, I have to find the code here, which is CT8529164. That is the actual code for the sneakers, and it is a 9.5, 10.5. I couldn't get my size, but I can fit a 9.5, and I wasn't willing to drive to another actual shop to get my size because I had a 10 9.5. I can fit a 9.5. They're comfortable. They're not too actually. The actual Jordan 6 and 11 is actually got a little bit of room for me, so 9.5 is perfect. But that's what the box looks like. That's how it should be. That's how it should come. Now let's take a look at these sneakers. It's sneaker time, so hey presto shabang, guys. This is the review for the Jordan 6 Olympic, a sneaker associated with the USA flag, because that's what it is all about. It's all based on Team USA, and obviously, as you can see, guys, predominantly it's got that blue, it's got that white, it's got the touches of the red, which actually dominate this sneaker. Pretty much the white overlays on this is very tumbled, very good in quality, and it is absolutely immaculate. As you can see, guys, when you see the leather on these actual Olympic 6s, these are absolutely dope and absolutely fire. Even the underlays, even those dark navy underlays are absolutely fire with the quality. Look at the blue on this, guys. This is so phenomenal, and the actual leather is soft to the touch. Like this absolutely beautiful Jordan 6. I love a Jordan 6. The Carmine 6s is one of my favorite 6s. In my personal opinion, this comes really close to the actual Carmine 6. Absolutely dope and absolutely fire. Without the actual blue, you'd have that red with the Carmines, but this is a phenomenal pair. You got white actual midsoles on this as well, with touches of that navy blue on the actual above the air bubble, and touches on the midsole as well, as you can see. And then it's all iced out, absolutely iced out, with more of that icy goodness with the red and the blue. Absolutely dope and absolutely fire. But this sneaker is sitting at this moment in time, but who gives it FC UK? Because it means in the UK you can actually cop these sneakers. It's absolutely dope and absolutely fire in my personal opinion. Love this sneaker. Got red actual lace lock on this as well, with a white Jumpman, which is dope. Red actual Jumpman on the actual shroud at the top of this, which covers the laces, in the shroud is white, or it's more of a fabric shroud as well. Sometimes you get different kinds of variations of materials in the shroud. Sometimes you get like a leather. This is actual like nylon or shroud, which feels nylonish, or not meshish, but it's definitely nylonish. Absolutely fire. And insole is, I'm going to switch out the insoles as well, because basically I've got insoles from the other shoe of the other side of it, because this is an absolutely navied out blue insole with a white Jumpman. Absolutely dope. And Dream Cell insole on this as well. This feels like carpet. This feels like hospital carpet, I would say. Or if you live in the UK and you go and see your parents, or you go and see, not your parents, you go and see your grandmother or grandfather at like the whole housing where they put basically house old people, this is the carpet that they actually get in there as well. It's a bit rough, but it's nice and soft to the touch to your feet. Absolutely dope insole, absolutely fire. I love this sneaker. This retail for £190, probably $210, I would say, in the States. If you actually live in the States, guys, this is a nice sneaker. This is actually sitting, and this is actually everywhere. In my personal opinion, one of the better 6s in the rotation, and I'm glad to have this in the rotation. This will definitely be on my feet even in the winter time. Leather all in. You got that nylon tongue, that navy nylon tongue that runs into that shroud anyway. That's the only actual fabric on this material except for the leather. Inner linings all blue, soft inner lining as well. That's absolutely dope. And then you've got the Jumpman and the air at the back of this absolutely beautiful, gorgeous sneaker. And with every Jordan 6, I absolutely love where they got Air Jordan on the actual tongue, which is dope. That is absolutely dope. So fire. Love a Jordan 6, love a good Jordan 6, and I love this Olympic 6. I'm glad to have this in the rotation. If this goes on sale, I might actually pick up another pair. I might have some customizing ideas for this as well, but who cares? At this moment in time, I'm just reveling in this beautiful Olympic 6. Such a dope sneaker in my personal opinion. As it's mine, it's going to be on my feet, so watch to the end for the on feet, because it's definitely being on my feet. And there's only one set of laces, which you get white set of laces. I might look to put maybe red laces and give it some more representation, but I might stick with the white laces. It's absolutely beautiful and absolutely fast sneaker. This is definitely getting my 5 goals. Absolutely phenomenal. I love the actual aesthetics to this, and even the spoiler at the back's got a touch of white on it. They could have done a little bit more to introduce a little bit more red onto this, because obviously we know the US flag is associated with the sneaker, which is the red, white and blue. But guys, who cannot deny a classic. 24 years in the making to get a sneaker back to the variation that we needed. The 2012 pair was like a flip variation on the actual midsole, but when you bring a classic like this is phenomenal. This is absolutely classic. This is class. This is everything that everybody needs in their rotation. When you can get it, you need to get this, guys. When you bring an OG back out like this, you need to get it, guys. This is not an OG like in the sense of an original OG of the Jordan 6s that released, but it's such a classic. It's like a second variation past the OG, or a first variation after the original OGs came out. What a classic sneaker. And this is what picking up sneakers is all about, is getting these classic sneakers in hand to wear. So let me know your thoughts, guys. What do you think of the Olympic 6s? Do you like them? Do you love them? Do you want them? Do you waiting for the sale price to actually come onto the sneaker? Because I didn't really care. I wanted it. I want to actually rock it. I want to wear it. I want to love it. Absolutely gorgeous sneaker. Olympic 6. But like I do on this channel, I'm going to give you that front perspective. I'm giving you that booty action, air perspective, that lateral side, that medial side. That looks absolutely beautiful on a Jordan 6, and that beautiful outsole, giving you that 360-degree rotation. Make sure it's on your feet. Make sure you keep hitting the streets, and make sure you keep bringing that heat, guys. Bang, bang, and bang, guys. Absolutely gorgeous, absolutely beautiful. The Jordan 6 Olympics. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know your comments. Let me know what you think about that sneaker. Are you picking this up, or are you going to wait for the resale price to drop, or are you going to wait for the retail price to go on sale? Let me know your thoughts, because this sneaker at resale on the secondary market was heading towards 150. I could have got this about 2 weeks earlier before the price shifted to over 200, and I actually dropped the price. I actually dropped my actual bids on, I think, Go, one of the two actual retail platforms. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know your comments. Let me know what you're going to do. Are you going to pick up this Jordan 6, or are you going to wear away from it and try and pick up something more beautiful in August time? Because August heat is coming. It's coming, guys. There's some heat coming in August, so wait for that. But like I do on this channel, thank you for tuning in. Thank you for always coming back. Thank you for always showing love and support like you do, guys. And from me, TJ, like I do at the end of the reviews, hope you have an amazing week, amazing month, and an amazing year. And I hope you guys cop the sneakers you like, because you all deserve to get the sneakers you want. From me, TJ, I love Kit Customs. Peace out for now, guys, and peace.
I just discovered Crown, the iced coffee, kind of turned up in her right now. You know what I'm saying? I swear I'm the truth. I swear I'm the truth. I keep trying to tell them, but it ain't no use trying to convince these niggas, even though I got the proof. I just throw up the deuce. I swear I'm the truth. I swear I'm the truth. I keep trying to tell them, but it ain't no use trying to convince these niggas, even though I got the proof. I just set fire to the booth, the chosen one like Luke. I spread my wings, I'm still in love like truth. I ran myself full circle like hoops, bobbing, weaving through the traffic like coops. Underrated on the pavement like some high-tech boots. Take my aim at the game and I shoot. Missed the target by a measure, now I do it for pleasure. Ain't no rush, I can pop off at my leisure. It ain't on me, boys in me, so I won't lose my clever. Plus I'm straight, I ain't hurting for cheddar. That's an old school reference, got a real shit preference. I come at you with deference. I ain't studying you stepping, I don't care what you reppin'. I'm west side to the death end. I'm A-town, ain't no guessing. Nothing more, nothing less. Ain't gon' ask for no blessing. I come through with the wrecking. I'm low-key, no suspecting. You won't notice no weapon. I'm wide awake, you been sleeping. I unsended the message. If I do miss some betting, it's on me, bring that check in. I swear I'm the truth. I swear I'm the truth. I keep trying to tell them, but it ain't no use trying to convince these niggas, even though I got the proof. I just throw up the deuce. I swear I'm the truth. I swear I'm the truth. I keep trying to tell them, but it ain't no use trying to convince these niggas, even though I got the proof. I just set fire to the booth. I'm coming back with more flavors. Put it all on the table. Similar to Jada, maybe it'll dawn on you later. I stay true to my nature, boy, I ain't never been a hater. I'm suave like Drake.